We are in Baytown, Texas, Houston, where they had 20 inches of rain but no flooding. Mercedes diesel. We just spent an hour putting on this trailer hitch, trying to swing the wrench for the bolts, but it won't swing. And Aiden here said, why don't you just take off these plastic covers? There's probably a bolt behind there you can undo. So I said, nah, that won't do it. So we take off the two bolts, and the bumper cover comes right off.
We took
in 3 seconds.
If you want to just hold up on that.
We spent like an hour.
Just spent an hour tightening the bolts, an eighth of a turn at a time. We take off 4 bolts that are easy to get to, and the whole bumper cover comes right off. I don't believe that was so simple. And I was at the junkyard. You'd think I would have noticed how easy it was to get to. Those bolts are impossible to get to.
Oh my gosh!
We just spent an hour, and now we just don't swing the truck too far because it's up on 4 jack stands. Isn't that simple? Need some Corvair parts. I'm fully stocked with Corvair.